Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a little bit noisy with the geese and ducks because they've just spotted a stranger. Toon, she didn't come down here a lot. So, just checking for eggs. We might have got a few late ones, but the main reason we're down here is to dig out some galangal or ka, which we're going to split and grow near the house in some soil that we've prepared near our new palms. So up here, it's been here for quite a few years. Toon's dad originally grew it. Then when we weren't here for a few years, it got pillaged. Someone came in, they thought they'd dug it all out. Obviously they'd left a head or two in there, and now it's come back strong. So very, very nice herb, nice taste. Use a lot of it in red curry paste. So plenty to dig out. Just start to see some heads in there. Quite a few termites around here and ants and big bumblebees as well. Hey? Here we go then. Probably get about 2 plants out of that. Split that in half. Once these things get established, they grow quite quickly. We've got over 50 plants near the line of banana trees around the pond. We want to clear around the pond here, so we're going to dig all out. Needless to say, we'll probably miss a little bit of head or root here and there, and it'll grow back. But yeah, smells lovely when you start cutting it. I only scratched the tip of the iceberg so far. 2 buckets full and loads of heads there. Barely touched it. And we only need a small bit for each bit that you're going to grow. So we'll go and put these in. If we need any more, we'll come back and grab them. But you can see it's ant infested round here. Big black ants as well, and also lots of termites. They eat the old heads. So the ducks will be in here after we go. Better crack on. Break time at the moment. Toon's just picking a few bamboo shoots for us for dinner. I'll show you how we've been getting on. These are all chopped and ready to put in, but we've got one line complete already. So between the bananas on the left and the skinny palms, and then we've got the main palms on the right, we put one complete row of the car or galangal down there. Just scratches a small divot in the hole and then mound up the soil nice and softly around it. And then the rains will just pad that down for us. So we're going to do the same again here, and then in between each palm, these are the ones that are used for palm oil, we're going to put 2 or 3 lemongrass in here. So it's really to pad out the land really. More things that grow, there's less room for weeds, and more things to sell, of course. So, I said in the previous vlog, the galangal will go hand in hand with the lemongrass, and the lime leaves, elastic banded together. Toon reckons you can get 2 to 3 baht per bunch. So if we'd have elastic banded what we've got today, I don't know, it's over 100 pieces easy. And that's just from one main rootstock, so you can imagine a big bulk load of that. So that's it for now. Do a little bit more later. It's flipping red hot now. It's early afternoon, so it's nice and cool under this bamboo tree here. So, kick back for a few minutes. Here we go, guys. All done and dusted now. Ran out of steam to get the lemongrass done in the middle, but that wasn't important. Main thing was to get the galangal in today. So we've got both lines done, totaling 72 plants. We need to get one more palm in down the far end, so that will enable us to put another 12 or so plants in, 6 on each side. So yeah, it's good. We had to have a break for a couple of hours, it was just too hot, so Toon picked some maroon from up there, the long skinny thing, so she's making fish curry tonight, so I got delegated to catch some tilapia out the ponds. So got normal tilapia and the hybrid tilapia that we bred with tab tim and benin. So he's going to do 2 different types of fish curry tonight. Looking forward to that. Oh, so tired. Oh, that's nice, having a shite. I think I deserve a chang or 2. Right then, that's it for today. I'm rollocksed. Whew. Heat's gradually going. Soon's in the kitchen. All is good in the world. Well, it is on this little plot of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves. Remember, it's a jungle out there, unless you live in a city.